What I wish I knew before my first online scam. Let's make sure you're ready. First things first, take a deep breath. If you've been scammed, you're not alone, and we'll get through this together. Step 1. Call your bank or card company immediately. Freeze any payments to stop further damage. They deal with this all the time and will guide you through the next steps. Next, you need to report the scam. In the US, go to reportfraud.ftc.gov. If you're in the UK or EU, head to actionfraud.police.uk. Reporting helps track these scammers and protect others. Finally, change the passwords on any accounts that might have been hacked. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. A password manager can be a great tool for this. Remember, acting quickly is key. The faster you respond, the better your chances of minimizing the damage. Also, stay vigilant in the future. Scammers are always coming up with new tricks, so make sure to double-check websites and offers before sharing your details. You've got this. Stay safe, protect your info, and don't let scammers win. For more tips on scam protection, hit that subscribe button. We're here to help you stay one step ahead. Secure your digital life like never before. Explore vital cybersecurity tips and tools to protect your online world. With support always available, you are never alone in the fight against fraud. Let us unite for a safer internet, where community and peace of mind lead the charge. Hit like and subscribe for transformative insights, and stay informed on the latest in digital defense. See you next time.